In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Xbox profile link. If you've ever wanted someone to add you quickly, send a friend request, or just check out your gamer profile, sharing the direct link to your Xbox profile is the fastest way to do it. The whole process happens in your web browser and takes just a moment. Start by opening your preferred browser on a computer, tablet, or phone and heading to the official Xbox website. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, the site may prompt you to sign in so it can load your own profile information. That's normal and simply ensures you're viewing the correct account. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner. You should see your gamer pic, a small profile icon, or your initial. Click that to open your profile menu. On some layouts, this may be labeled Profile or Profile in Settings. In the menu that appears, choose Xbox Profile. This is important because it opens the public-facing page that others will see when they visit your profile. Avoid options like Account or Microsoft Account, which take you to settings or billing pages that aren't meant for sharing. When you select Xbox Profile, the site will switch to a page that displays your gamertag, avatar, and other profile details. Give it a second to finish loading so the address in your browser updates properly. Now copy the link from your browser's address bar. On a computer, click once in the address bar to highlight the full URL, then copy it using your preferred method. On a phone or tablet, tap the address bar, select the entire link if it isn't selected automatically, and copy it. That link is your shareable Xbox profile URL. You can paste it into a message, a chat app, an email, or anywhere else you want someone to find you. A few quick tips for clarity. Make sure the page you're copying from is the Xbox profile page and not a settings or account dashboard. If the link opens a sign-in screen for your friend, that's normal on some devices. Once signed in, they'll land on your profile. If you're concerned about what others can see, remember that visibility depends on your existing Xbox privacy settings. You can always review those later if needed. And that's it. Go to the Xbox website, open your profile menu, select Xbox profile, and copy the URL from your address bar. Share that link, and your friends will be able to find your Xbox profile in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.